we going in here?
We're going in here.
Is the birds in here?
I think so. Can you go in this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it isn't. Oh.
Don't see it.
Yeah, it must be the other way. It says entrance. No, it's not there either, Jane. There's no handle on that.
Very well.
Please do not put coins, food or fingers in the water.
It doesn't see cameras, does?
Yeah.
Oh, look, that's it. That's Nemo.
Well, look at him with all the growths on his body, like it's cancer.
The fish will get cancer.
Yeah, you can snip them off. I've seen it where somebody on the internet had done it and he got clippers and cut it off.
Oh, he's got black. Well, that was the exact same.
That's just his colour. There used to be butterflies and stuff in here when I was a kid.
I know, yeah.
Because it was a tropical gardens. It was always red hot in here, but they've left all the doors open. Yeah, we'll go to the end and...
Oh my god. Oh, they're nice. So pretty. There's a baby. Dad.
Hey? What, sorry? Oh yeah? Orchids. Orchids. See that one? It's closed.
Oh yeah? Nice.
See the pipes? That'll
Probably
be for the
afraid of
heating
us.
there.
Probably afraid of us.
Oh, below.